let's convert this decimal fraction 53.3125 base 10 to a number in base 4. And to do that, we have to split this decimal fraction into the whole number part and the decimal part, then convert separately. Solution. So here, whole number part and here you have the decimal part. The whole number part for this decimal fraction is 53 and the decimal part is the 0.3125. Now let's convert separately. 53 is an whole number, so to convert whole numbers to a number in base 4, we divide repeatedly by 4 until it's no longer divisible by 4. Then we read the remainders upwards. So here, we divide by 4. First goes in 53, first goes in 5, you have 1, remainder 1, you have 13. 4 goes in 13, that's 3, which is 12, remainder 1. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 13, you have 3. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. When you take away 12 from 13, what remainder do we have? We have a remainder of 1. Divide again by 4. 4 goes in 3, you have 0 with a remainder of 3. Read the remainders upwards, and what do we have? 3, 1, 1, base 4. Now move on to the decimal part and also convert to base 4. Now for the decimal part, we multiply by 4 until you have 0 for the decimal part or a periodic number. So let's multiply by 4. 5 multiplied by 4, you have 20. Write 0. You take 2 to the next digit. 2 multiplied by 4, you have 8 plus 2, you have 10. So you write 0. You take 1 here. 1 multiplied by 4, 4 plus this 1, you have 5. 3 multiplied by 4, that's 12. So you write 2. Then your points, then bring the 1 to the other side. Now for the next step, we take only decimal part, that is this 0.250, and we repeat the same procedure, that is we multiply by 4 for the decimal part alone. So let's multiply by 4. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 multiplied by 4, that's 20. So you have 0, you take 2 to this side. 2 multiplied by 4, you have 8 plus this 2, you have 10. So you have 0. Then the 1 you are bringing to this side. Now you already have 0 for the decimal part. That is, we can stop. And we'll take our readings. How to take our readings? These digits from the top. So you have 0.11 base 4. Now for our final answer, we combine these two together. That is, our 53.3125 base 10 equals, combine the whole number part and decimal part, 311.11 base 4. And that's how to convert decimal fractions in base 10 to base 4. Thank you.